Hello children, welcome to the online class of Jagran Public School. Subject is Maths. It is for class 5th and today's topic is HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor we are having total 3 different methods. First method is HCF by prime factorization method, HCF by common division method and HCF by division method. We can solve the sum by these 3 different methods. We will get the answer same only. Today, I will be explaining you all these 3 methods with the help of an example. So, the first one is HCF by prime factorization method. Let me take an example of 32 and 24. Suppose I want to find an HCF of 32 and 24 with the help of prime factorization method. So what I am going to do is, first I will write it here 32. 32 is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. In 2's table when 32 is going, it is 1, 6, 16 ja. Again 16 is an even number. So 2 ja 8. 2 4 ja 2, 2 ja and 2 1 ja. So you have to solve this one till you get 1. Similarly, write down here 24. 2 ja. In 2's table when 24 is coming, 2, 12 ja. Again 2, 6 ja. 2, 3 ja 6. Write it here 3, 3, 1 ja. Now, next step. Write down here 32 is equal to, how many times I have written 2 here? 5 times. 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Similarly, I will be writing here 24. 3 times 2. So 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2 and then I am going to write it here 3. Now circle the numbers which are common here. 2 is common first time. Second time also 2 is common. Third time also 2 is common. So what I am going to write it here, HCF is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Then 2 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. So this is the HCF of 32 and 24. So what you have to do in prime factorization method is all these numbers should be prime. Like 32. 32 is divisible by 4 also. But you are not going to write it here 4. You will be writing it here 2 because 2 is a prime number. This is prime factorization method. So you are going to write it here 2 has a prime number. 2, then 16. Again it is divisible by 2. So you will be writing it here 2. 2 8 ja 16. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. And 2 1 ja 2. So how many times we have written it here? 5 times. So you are going to write it here 5 times. Here 24. 2 12 are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and here 3 1 are 3. So here write all these numbers 2 into 2 into 2 multiply by 3. Now you are going to do it. Keep what are common here. Common here is only 2 number is common which is written 3 times. So write it here HCF is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. That becomes 8. One more example I am going to take it. Example number 2, 32, 80 and 96. Now here children, what we are going to do is again, number 32 is there. 32, 2 ja, 16, again 2 ja, 8, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 8, then here 2 2 ja, 4 and 2 1. Now write down here 80. 2. 2 4 ja, 2 40 ja, 80, then 2 20 ja, 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, and here 5 1s are 5. Now your another number, that is 96. 2s are 2 48s are 96, again 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and here comes 3 1s. Now you are going to write all these numbers together. Like first here you will write it here, 32 is equal to 5 times 2, you will write it here, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Then 80. 2 is written here 4 times. So 2 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 2, and 2 multiply by 5 here. Then comes here 96. In 96 I have written 2 here 4 times. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, and at the last I will be writing here 3. Now circle the numbers which are common here. So here 2 you are going to circle it like this, then another 2, then another 1, and then one more is there which is common. So these 4 2's are common here. So what you are going to write it here, HCF is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and 8 2 ja is 16. 16 is the answer. I hope HCF by prime factorization method is clear to you. Now come to the second method. Our second method is HCF by common method, common division method. This method is very simple. HCF by common division method. In this method, what you have to do is, you are going to just see if 2 numbers or 3 numbers are divisible by a particular number or not. If it is divisible, then you are going to write it. If it is not divisible, then you are going to stop it there itself only. So here, let me give you an example. Example number 1, 60 and 72. Write these two numbers together. 60, put here comma, and write down 72. Now children, both these numbers are even number. So it is divisible by 2. So here you are going to write it 2. 2 30 ja 60, and here it is 2 36. Again 30 and 36. Both of them are even number. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 15s are 30, and here comes 2 18s are 36. Now 15 and 18. Both of them are not divisible by 2. So which number it is divisible? 15 and 18. Both of them are going in 3's table. You will write it here 3. 3 5s are 15, and here 3 6s are 18. Now 5 and 6 are not divisible by any other number. So you are going to stop it here only. So now what is the HCF here? HCF is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 2 ja 4. 4 3s are 12. This is your HCF of 60 and 72. I'll give you one more example. Let us take a 3 numbers. Okay. Here 3 numbers are 56, 84, and 154. These are the 3 numbers. Now you are going to find HCF by common division method. What you are going to do is, write it here 56, 84, and 154. 3 these numbers are divisible by 2. 2 28s, it is 42s, and this one is 77. Now 28, 42 and 77. These two numbers are even, so it is divisible by 2. But 77 is not divisible by 2. So what number you are going to take it here? This number is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 6s are 42 and 7 11s are 77. Now 4, 6 and 11, these three numbers are not divisible by any other number. So you are going to stop it till here only. So now what is the answer you are going to get it here? HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 7. 2 7s are 40. This is the HCF of this number. Now one more method is there, that is HCF by division method. HCF by division method. In division method, you are going to divide the number by one another. Okay. Now, example A. 96 and 120. From these two numbers, which number is bigger? 120 is bigger. So, you are going to put a sign of divide. Write down here 120 inside and 96 outside. 120 is your dividend and this is your divisor. So, 96 1s are 96 divided. Subtract both the numbers. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 11 minus 9 is 2. 24. Now you are going to check whether 96 and 24, this is smaller number. So 24 is going to become your divisor and 96 is going to become your dividend. Now in 24's table you are going to check when 96 is coming. So 24 4s are. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is cancelled here only. Now we are not left with any remainder. So what is the HCF here? HCF is equal to 24. This is the number by which we are not getting any remainder. So this is going to become your HCF. One more example I will tell you. 81 and 108. 81 and 108. A bigger number, you are going to write it inside and 81 you are going to write it outside. 180 is going to become your dividend and this is going to become your divisor. Now 81 stable. 81 1s are 81. So 8 minus 1 is here 7 and 10 minus 8 is here 2. 27. We are not left with here. Remainder is your 27. So you are going to write it 81 inside and 21 outside. 81 is going to become your dividend and 27 is going to become your divisor. Now in 27's table you are going to check when 81 is going to come. So 27 3s are 81. Cancel. We are not left with any remainder. So what is the answer here? What is the HCF of 81 and 108? HCF of these two numbers is 27. Children, I hope these three methods, HCF by prime factorization method, HCF by common division method and HCF by division method, all these three methods are clear to you. Thank you, children.